This is what Jakey looks like after he runs right up to a skunk. He doesn't like the taste in his mouth. I washed him out with what water I had. Gotta go home, give him a bath. Look at him. Yeah, it burns. It burns, huh? Right up into him. Run. I said, come. Come here, Jake. Heel it up. Heel it up. I said, don't go to the skunk. You're gonna run right over to him. Come on. Come on. And how I'm gonna get that smell off you. My last dog, I couldn't get it off of. Range. Heel. Stinky dog. Stinky dog. Range. Heel. Heel. Stay healed.